Today we're going to be doing a long video about Crypto Hopper and new settings, and we're going to be tracking how much I can make by day trading $50 worth of Bitcoin with these new Crypto Hopper settings that I am testing out. Today's video is going to be long. Stick with it because we're starting from scratch, day one, signing up for an exchange, signing up for Crypto Hopper, and going from there.
Nerdy dude stuff.
What's going on, everybody? I'm O'Price. Welcome to a very long, informative video about Crypto Hopper and Bitcoin. Now, if I get off on a tangent or speak fast, I do apologize. Sometimes when I'm making these videos, I start to rant and run and just go with it. But as promised, the long-awaited Crypto Hopper settings that I have been talking about in Discord, and I haven't done one of these videos in quite some time, where we just really break down and we just dive into Crypto Hopper. Now, with that being said, they tweeted this the other day, there's a lot of changes coming to Crypto Hopper, so this is going to be just kind of before and after. So these changes won't necessarily affect the settings I'm going over with today, but there will be more on that in the future, so just stay tuned to that as well. For those of you keeping track at home, today's beverage of the day is New Belgium's Voodoo Ranger IPA. It's fairly decent IPA. It's filtered, pretty clear. It's got a little bit of a fruit taste to it, just a little bit of like, trying to find it right here, like bursting with tropical aromas and juicy fruit flavors from Mosaic and Amarillo hops. This golden IPA is perfectly bitter with a refreshing, sublime finish. Now, kind of smells a little bit like a dead guy, but it is pretty good. So, cheers to you guys. Let's take a quick cap at the market. We're not going to go over many coins, but I do know in the past couple of days we had that huge drop. Bitcoin went from about 6.3 thousand to 5.6 thousand, and we are looking at Bitcoin being under a 100 billion market cap. First, we haven't seen that in a very long time. Total market cap for all crypto is sitting at 185 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 52.6%. Now, if you guys going into the Crypto Hopper settings in the video, based on whatever package you have, I took my coin selections from coinmarketcap.com. I can trade on 75 coins, and I kind of just went through the top 100 here and picked. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do, if this is the first time you're getting into cryptocurrency or the first time you are signing up for Crypto Hopper and you're not an exchange, in my videos, and I'm pulling up last week's video as an example, you're going to want to start with Binance Exchange. Click the link in the description for the video. This is, in my opinion, the best exchange for Crypto Hopper, especially in a situation where I'm trading small amounts of money, not necessarily making like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $10,000 trades. I'm starting with $50 and seeing what Crypto Hopper can do with these settings. So I recommend Binance. The other reason why, when you're on the Binance exchange, if you're holding the Binance token, the fees are reduced by 25%, and they utilize that token instead of the full shebang from like Bittrex, which fees are astronomical. So I prefer Binance with my Crypto Hopper. Link in the description. And then while you're in one of the videos, also if you click on the link for Crypto Hopper to get started, you're going to get a free 30-day subscription to try it out. So after you sign up for your exchange, and after you sign up for your after you sign up for your exchange, and after you sign up for Crypto Hopper and you get your free 30-day subscription, you're going to want to link the two accounts together. So I'm going to go into my Binance Crypto Hopper, and I'm going to show you where you get your API key and where you put that in your hopper. So first, go into your Binance account, go over to your account and your profile. You're going to scroll a little bit down to where it says API, and you're going to click on API settings, and then you're going to create a new key. Now, mine, you'll have an API key and you'll have a secret key. It's very important you don't share those with anybody and you keep them to yourself. But you're going to copy and paste when you go over into Crypto Hopper. Then you're going to link now. So you do configuration. And then you just go into base config. So that way, right now I have mine is on, let's go back up here. So Binance Live Bot. And then you're going to click on the Exchange tab. And then once you create your Binance API key, you're going to put your main key here. So you're going to copy and paste your main key, and then you're going to place it where it says Binance API key, and then your secret key you're going to have visible, and you're going to copy and paste that to the Binance API secret key, and then you're going to hit save. That's day trading, crypto hopper trading bot 101. Real quick before we keep diving into a little bit more, we are going to scroll down to the subscription plan so you guys can see what you're looking at. Again, link in the description gives you a free 30-day subscription. They have 3 packages. It's a monthly fee. And the first time I was doing this, I made about $110 in 8 days off of, I think it was $75 worth of Bitcoin. So you're going to have a free bunny subscription. That's regularly $20 a month. Then you're going to have a hair advance hopper. That's their $50 package. And then I have their kangaroo master hopper. Lots of features. We're not going to go over them. I've done that tons of times before in other videos. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at my dashboard real quick just to show everyone everything and what we're starting with. Right now I have buying disabled. After I went through and cleared out everything and all my holdings and scrubbed my wallets, I'm starting with about $50. Excuse me. And if we go into funds, let's go back home. So if we look at my account, we are starting with about $50. You see right there, BTC value will go into funds, balances, and we are starting with about, load, come on, there we go, $52.48. So jot that down in your memory. I have everything set up here so we can take a look at the returns, and we're going to go from there. Now, the moment you guys are all waiting for, let's get into the settings. Now, I'm also going to be looking into doing a couple of triggers, and I'm going to be reevaluating where I'm getting my signals from in the next week or so. Instead of doing the Mining Hamster and Crypto Grower, I'm going to probably cancel those two and go to one of the big $10 ones to see how those do, but not right now. So, the first settings, kind of really up to you. You don't really need to focus on these. You know, pick your favorite coins you want to trade on. Minimum order, doesn't really matter. I can go over these settings all day long, but they're very base and they're all preferential. Mine are all set very conservative. The big hitter is going to be the multiple TA factors. We're going to go over those factors here in a moment. Trailing stop buy, I have it turned off. Sell settings, these really don't matter. So I could have my take profit at 1.3%. I could tell the bot to take profit at like 100% profit on the coin. Reason why this doesn't matter, in my opinion, is that the trailing stop loss is armed. And I do not have stop loss set. I don't think I'm going to be doing stop loss this time around. I'm literally just sticking with the same similar settings that I've normally had. But still, I've kind of bumped up my trailing stop loss a little bit to be less conservative. Max open time, sell time is going to be at 5 minutes. You can play around with that if you want. That just means that if the coin doesn't sell within 5 minutes, it's going to cancel out the order and try again later. Same with buy. Max open buy time is 5 minutes. If I miss the price of the target price I want to buy it at, I don't want to lock up the Bitcoin to miss another trigger or another signal for any longer than the 5 minutes. Now, we're going to talk about the trailing stop loss. In a nutshell, if you have this turned on, mine will arm at 1.5% profit on the coin, and then it will trigger to sell if there's a decrease in 0.35% of if there's a decrease of 0.35% with the coin. I'm actually going to switch that to 0.4% just to, that way I'm pretty much, if that coin goes up to 1.5% in profit and then drops back down to 1.1%, then I'm still getting profit of 1.1%. So still taking profit, but I feel that opens up my gap so it can go down like that fraction of percent and then keep going up, because I've missed some decent triggers with this being this conservative, or some decent runs with this being this conservative. Now, the moment, well, let's talk about these for a couple minutes. Auto close, short settings, and dollar cost averaging, and then a feature that the Kangaroo Hopper that I have has is I can do arbitrage, which is basically buy here, sell there, buy here, sell there. You know, if it's looking for a coin on one exchange is at a certain amount, I could buy it low and sell it to another one. I don't have that set up. I'm kind of wasting my money by not setting it up, but to make this fair and the videos and stuff with converting the profit, like seeing how much we can make with the $50 in Bitcoin, I'm not going to use that at the moment unless there's other Kangaroo subscribers out there that want to see that and feel that's a good representation of Crypto Hopper. Short settings. Now, this basically, you can set everything up as you'd like. I don't have anything set here just because I like to micromanage. Same with the dollar cost averaging. What the short essentially does is say, let's say we have a coin that's worth $10, and then you kind of get like the insider scoop that the coin, or you're looking at the technical analysis and the charts, and you feel that the coin's going to drop this $5. So then you sell off at $10. That coin drops to $5. You then buy the coin for $5, or you buy 2 of the coins for $5 in anticipation of it to rise up again. That's shorting. And then dollar cost averaging. If you have if you bought a coin for $10 and then it drops down to $5. What you do here is you buy a coin again for $5 and you merge your 2 positions. So then on average, you're looking at the 2 coins cost you about $7.50. So if you see that coin go back up to maybe 9% or 10%, you are now taking profit again instead of waiting for $10, $8 or $9, waiting for the coin to go above $10, because now you're going to profit when the coin's around $8, $9, whatever. So that's all good features that the bot has, but use your own discretion on how you want the settings. I prefer to micromanage the bot, since this bot is super easy to log into on any computer, mobile device, or anything like that. That's how I prefer to watch it. Now, with this being super long-winded and the moment everyone's been waiting for, let's talk about the TA factors and the TA settings that I am playing around with now. So, we are looking at candle size 2 hours. Now, I feel that you can use either 2 to 4 hours with these settings, based on the fact that these are allowing for the trades are going to take a little bit longer in the day, but I feel there's a better read on I might just switch that to 4 hours. I'm going to switch it to 4 hours. I feel there's a better read and a better, like the candles, instead of the swing trading for the 30 minutes or the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes. And I kind of was taking my butt kicked on the 5-minute setting. So, and if you do copy these settings, remember, copy at your own risk. The market changes and fluctuates like crazy. 2 to 4 hour candle size kind of gives you a little bit more stability on the changes during that time frame. So then I have my stochastic off, RSI is off, enable RSI off, enable MACD is off, enable EMA, I have that on, enable comma, off, off, off. My EMA short period is at 9, and my EMA long period is at 20. And then I have EMA necessary for buy signal turned on. So I'll leave that up for just a moment. You guys can jot it down or copy it. And that'll be that. So, without further ado, we are going to fire this bad boy up. And then maybe tomorrow we'll do a 1-day recap, see how we're doing. And then we will also look at some signals and some targets, and we'll do a little bit more in-depth there. I just want to see if this is going through successful. So right now it's currently 5:39. It looks like the last signal we got target was ENJ, so it looks like there are signals flying through ENJ ARC, ENJ BNT, and Cash ENJ Fund. So we got a lot of triggers that are coming through, which looks pretty good. So we will turn on the bot. It's officially 5:40 p.m. here Eastern, and we will see what kind of moves and trades, if any, will happen in the next 24 hours with the Crypto Hopper bot. So, any questions, please leave in the comments. You can join me on the Discord. You can join, DM me on Twitter. There's a link in the description for Discord. Just get at me there. There's a whole Crypto Hopper group. I have a lot of Crypto Hopper support and staff on Discord speed dial, and they're always ready to answer questions and everything like that. And then, as always, for those of you that know the channel, we are going to finish the video playing the free Bitcoin roll. For those of you that are new or don't know, every single Sunday, this will give out 80% of my Satoshi pool to people that are active, that are friends of mine and are part of the referral team. Click on the link that says free Bitcoin. You can see here 80% shared, and it's based on your activity. So you have to be playing, you have to be doing the free roll, you have to do the multiply BTC roll. And you can see here that I've shared out a nice chunk of Bitcoin Satoshi right there. Click on that link, do the free hourly roll, and the multiply BTC. So stay tuned to the channel this week, guys. We're going to be doing some more Crypto Hopper talk. Big announcements for Crypto Hopper will be coming out just after the holidays here in America. That's Thanksgiving. We'll do some arbitraging results and numbers and strategies here shortly, but we're really just going to slam Crypto Hopper pretty hard, and we are going to see what kind of profits we can make and turn that 50 into. So, thank you very much for watching. It's been very long-winded. I do apologize if it was boring and put you to sleep, but hey, whatever. And I say the links in the descriptions below because you guys, it totally hooks me up with like referral commissions, and my wife is carrying twins, and we're gonna have 2 babies all of a sudden. So just that little bit of bump and love and support from my subscribers and my friends and everyone that joins me, I'm highly appreciative of it. So that's why I am a referral link ho. So For those of you that haven't done it yet, please subscribe. Please definitely leave a comment, leave a like, all that good stuff. I'm O'Price, and we'll see you guys next time.